The information reaching our office now be say the Nigerian government have refused to release Mazi NnamdiKanu. We no dey even talk about the release wey they refuse last time, but this one now, they no even give am date. They no wan even allow am make come court again, make him come stand the trial wey they say him go stand. My people, wetin dey happen? Where are we going? No be small thing o, as we dey talk that one, the latest trend wey be say no gree for anybody, as Nigeria army don come outside come tell the citizens say make dem no gree for terrorists. Na so police come outside to say anybody wey talk no gree, na dem go make sure say they go carry that person go put am for inside where dem dey call kirikiri. No be small thing o, this country can be confusing. I no know who I go follow, whether na the Nigeria army abi whether na the police I go come follow, because I dey confused. I don't know the place where I go come put head now. They come dey push me, I go dey run kitikiti akatakata. No be small thing, my people. Let's quickly go and look into the matter and find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebe Nekweziokwu. Still dey here, dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. Oh my people, if na first day, make sure say you follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very important information. Somebody have reached out to us today and tell us that somebody is using our name on TikTok. Not our name, is using our videos on TikTok. That platform is not for us. Our real videos or our platform on TikTok is called Balabas Gist with our logo. So in case of you see that page who are using TikTok account who are using our videos, that is not us. And kindly follow us on TikTok by Balabas Gist. Okay, my wonderful people, don't forget to give our Facebook page also a follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's jump into the matter where we'll get our hand today. No be small thing, they say that Nigeria army now and the police, they come make me now no come know the person where me I go come follow, because army don't come outside come tell us say make we no gree for terrorists for terror this year. Make us say we work hard to catch them all. Nah. Police don't come again. Come tell us say anybody wey talk say no gree for anybody. We will tell they give ourselves more mind, because for Nigeria now everybody knows say things is jaga. Nah. Police don't say anybody wey talk am, they go carry the person. My people, abeg, where we stand? Which kind of confused country be this? However, let's watch this video and before we go come back, come proceed.
Let's begin what's trending this beautiful Friday morning with the catchphrase, "No gree for anybody," which was adopted by the youth to usher in the new year. Well, the Nigerian police force early this week warned that the catchphrase, which loosely means do not tolerate any form of nonsense from anybody or do not allow yourself to be bullied by anyone, could plunge Nigeria into crisis of monumental proportions. The spokesperson for the Nigerian police force, Muyiwa Adejobi, made the announcement during a press briefing on Tuesday in Abuja.
And let me say again, on this note, that the new slogan for 2023-24 for our young ones is "No degree for anybody." We have been informed from our intelligence that this slogan is coming from a revolutionary sector that may likely cause problem across the country. No degree for anybody is being seen as just a normal talk, but in security business, in security community, we have seen it as a very dangerous slogan that can trigger crisis.
Well, the defense headquarters, on the other hand, has adopted the catchphrase "No gree for anybody" by advising Nigerians not to tolerate terrorists and perpetrators of insecurity. The Director of Defense and Media Operations, Edward Buba, made the comment while speaking at a press briefing in Abuja on Thursday as he urged Nigerians to see security as a collective responsibility.
This year, 2024, I urge citizens of this country to see security as a collective responsibility of all. Therefore, no gree for terrorists, no gree for perpetrators of insecurity.
I mean, the security forces, there's no synergy here. I mean, the police on one hand is saying, you guys will plunge Nigeria into, insecurity, anarchy. No grief for anybody. I mean, I don't even know what that means. But you know what? Our governor here, Lagos State Governor, posted a tweet yesterday. Let's pull up that tweet. He wrote, throwback to this beautiful night of excellence and laughter as we hosted the Super Eagles before they set up for #AFCON 2023. I am looking forward to their first match. And the message to them was clear. No grief for anybody. Bring home the Cup of Nations. Dr. Bati.
Very quickly, I find it, shocking that Muyiwa Adejobi, the spokesperson of the police, is using the word intelligence. That we have gathered intelligence, Wow. So to see uniformed officers using the word intelligence gathering so loosely, so lightly, speaks to the capacity of the institution and the capacity of the spokespersons of these, security institutions. The same Nigerian police that could not gather intelligence when they were slaughtering people in Plateau State, in 3 different local governments, is pursuing intelligence over popular slogan. We no grieve for anybody. So, and then they say this is coming from a revolutionary sector. This is a dangerous trend. No, Muyiwa Adejobi should not end there. He has to identify that revolutionary sector, where it is located, and share that intelligence with us. So, I mean, they think this is a joke. Now, the military did much better, as you have pointed out, saying we no go grieve for terrorists, and he contextualized it by talking about collective responsibility in terms of securing Nigeria, which is a moot point that has been made again and again. Now, words are semiotic reference, language can be interpreted in different ways. And with this, we no go agree. I mean, as a student of language, what we have seen is that people have applied it in different senses. Yeah. You've given us some examples, the police, the military, then Governor Sanwo-Olu using the same phrase to encourage the Super Eagles to do well in Ivory Coast, even if we have been told that, yes, we have a squad, but we don't have a team, because these are individual players, where we'll begin to see from Sunday when we play our very first match. But look at another positive sense in which it has been used, to show determination, standing up for your rights. I read a piece by Mrs. Betty Rabo. She went to a supermarket. When she left the supermarket, she had enough presence of mind to check the receipt that she had been given, only to find that salmon, that should not be more than 8,000 naira. What was recorded on her receipt was 49,000 naira. She immediately turned back and went back to the supermarket and said, please check this receipt. How can you sell salmon for 49,000? We used to buy it 8,000 naira. Even if it's going to jump, why will it jump to 49,000 naira? And she said, we no go agree on this matter. Yes. We no go agree for this salmon that you have increased. At the end of the day, they asked for a bank account. They refunded her and put the appropriate 8,000 naira there. Yes. How many of us go to supermarkets, go to restaurants? Yes. We don't check the receipt. Yes. They will inflate the money. You just think, oh, this is the amount. You go and pay. I like that kind of Betty Rabo say, we no go agree.
Perfect example.
It's about diligence. Yes. It's about determination to defend your rights. So what is Muyiwa Adejobi talking about? Freedom is not absolute and all that. Their job is to ensure security.
Yeah, my wonderful people, you don't see confusion everywhere. Even the two sides have no even know where they start, because police don't look and say this no agree for anybody. You go affect them too much, because drivers no go agree to give them back money, and there's some people whether they arrest for road, carry POS, collect, no go agree for them. For this reason, police don't reason and say no, this no agree for anybody. But like say now us, you go reach where. That's why they run come outside though. Why the armies still dey fight terrorists and dem when we be territory don still come outside, come talk say no be small thing o. He say this no gree for anybody this year. Una don see am where the confusion are coming for inside Nigeria. No be small thing, my people. As that one dey happen, let's quickly jump into this one wey we still get for our head today. They said that the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has accused Nigeria court of unfairly assisting the President Bola Tinubu led Nigeria government to illegally keep its leader NnamdiKanu in detention for the past 2.5 years. Now, these statements are coming from the person wey they call the publicity secretary, Emma Powerful. No be small thing, no, my people. Una don hear am as this Tinubu and the Nigeria government and Buhari wey don full comot. They don't want to release NnamdiKanu. So for anything wey can happen tomorrow, may you no think say na Igbo so na this one. When person don dey find trouble, abeg tell that person say this way dey find a trouble. No be when the trouble go come now, everybody go come dey find who they want blame. What is the offense of NnamdiKanu? This is the question. So NnamdiKanu should be released unconditionally since their court don set am free, because no be the time where you see person dey do something. Now when we reach a court, you go know whether that thing where you dey think say no offense in commit, whether no offense. He have done nothing wrong to ask for the independence or for the right of his own people. So keeping NnamdiKanu in detention is causing more havoc and other things in Southeast. Release NnamdiKanu with immediate effect. Hey my people, share this video and make sure say you dey follow our page. Do not forget to also follow us on TikTok, Balabas Gist. All our platform has our name, Balabas Gist. So anywhere you are finding us on airspace, we dey there. So use the same name and also follow us in all our social media. And thank you.